What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial on how to write a program where you can um, put four kinds of charts in your computer. Now what actually this kind of function does is just a minute, I'll just do some settings. Okay, I'll just do some settings. Okay, so then what this actually does is that if I just put four kinds of charts, all four will come up here. So first of all, you needed one dependency which is called as import matplotlib .pyplot splt. Yep. Then import numpy as np. So why usually numpy is actually used for? Numpy is actually used for mathematical calculations, or whenever any kind of number if you're typing, then then what happens, I suppose it may show you that calculations are actually required to put the charts. So 19680801, 19680801, so that is the random code number. So then data, that is np.random.rand, that is, let us say 2 into 100, or let's take 2 into 200. Figure axis goes to plt.subplots, then 2 to 2, let's say fig size 5 into 5. Yeah. So axis, let us say 00 dot hist data 0, axis 10 plot data, oh, it's scatter data 0 data 1. Okay, and then 0 1, that is plot data 0 and data 1. Okay, and x, let us say 2 1, that is plot his.3d. Yep, his.3d data 0 data 1, then plt.show. Let's see. Okay, so index 2 is out of bounds for axis 0 with size 2. Okay, so instead of that, why don't we take 1 and 2, so that will be this will be 1. Let's see. So 3, you can see they have been made, but this 4 has some problem. Let's change to his 2d. Okay, so neither this is not supported. Let's take 1 and 0. Okay, oh, come on. Oh yes, so you got this chart over here. One is the histogram, second is the plot, third is the scatter one, fourth is hist 2d. I hope you loved it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.